Hey, how's it going? So today we're going to check out a place called Fisheye Marine Park. Basically, it's a pier, heads out into the ocean, and then there's I can't even think of the name. You're able to go down into the water, but they got viewports below the water line. So it's kind of like being in a submarine, and you can see, I guess, they got a lot of fish, and sometimes you can see turtles. So, all right, hopefully it's pretty cool. Let's go check it out. So the Fisheye Park, it opens at 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. So I'd recommend coming early. I got here a little after 8, and there's only been 4 other people here. I've seen some other pictures, some other videos where the place is packed. So if you want to get a good look, undisturbed, come early. So I think it turned out to be a pretty cool place to check out. You could see a lot of fish. Saw a shark. That was pretty cool. And from what I understand, the pit here was either created by a bomb from World War II, or there's a cave underneath here that collapsed, and that's what caused the pit where this observatory is now. Or maybe it was the bomb that collapsed the cave. I'm not really sure. Yeah, so overall that was a pretty cool experience. I recommend coming out here, checking it out if you're out here visiting Guam. If you don't want to get wet doing scuba diving or snorkeling, it's an alternative. You can see the fish. See, I saw a shark, maybe see some turtles, maybe a mermaid, who knows. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, remember to comment, like, and subscribe. All right, see you around. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button.